Canon PowerShot A1400 digital camera with an optical viewfinder and 16-megapixel sensor with a Digic 4 processor. The 28mm wide-angle lens with 5x optical zoom aids in capturing great shots from a distance. It also equipped with HD video, powered by 2 AA batteries. A1400 features digital is to help reduce the effects of camera shake and subject movement and a help button. For even more imaging options, the PowerShot includes scene modes such as fisheye effect, toy camera effect and monochrome that give users creative freedom. The PowerShot A1400 digital camera is scheduled to be available in February for an estimated retail price of $109.99. Thank you.